let's talk about the circuit 2026, bro. This is gonna be a quick one. Hydrate, people. Look, you're in cars, you're just driving, like, yeah, just hydrate. Drink some water, add a Gatorade into your mix. I have coolers and coolers. Like, I've literally brought 3 coolers with me. We'll have one at every station, like in the staging lanes, one at the registration booth, and then one that just roaming around as well. Hydrate, please. Like, it's not going to be super warm this weekend, but there's going to be a lot of sunshine and wind. So you're not going to know that you're dehydrated until like Saturday night. And that's when we need you your best because we're go-kart racing. We start tomorrow, dude. It's absolutely insane to think that we're starting tomorrow. I cannot believe it. One day. One
Yeah,
day.
I'm
I
pretty
think
excited.
yeah, when we started doing these, it was like 74 days or something like that. And it seemed like
Yeah.
forever, but it is not that. Quick reminder for the punch cards for the folks that are watching this later. Friday, we're only going to require 1 pass to be submitted. You can make as many as you can, but you're only going to need to turn in 1. And then day 2 and 3, which is Saturday and Sunday, we do require 2 passes. You can make it again as many as you want. The reason we do the punch cards is to keep that line going and keep everybody rolling through, because we want to get to open run as fast as we can so everybody that's needing a pass can get it. So during your time, your class call, you can only make 2 passes. So that's where this becomes more difficult than some of the other regional events and probably some of the national events, is because you can't one and done at the circuit. You have to do 2. But if you don't get a good 2 in your class run, you're in open run with everybody else. So just keep in mind of that. Those will be given to you tomorrow when we register and Friday morning when we register as well. Just a quick update. We have moved VIP Tech. If you guys were looking at the old artwork, we've moved VIP Tech up to the tower. So when you pull up, there's going to be a sign that's going to say, did you pre-register? No, you go over here and wait in the long line. And then if you did, you're going to go over here and wait in the short line. Okay. So pre-registered to the right, non-registered to the left. We'll be using the staging lanes for all of our tech and stuff like that. So it'll kind of help with the normal flow of traffic and everything. We will park in the very back. Your tow rigs will park in the very, very back, and then we will pit up on the asphalt. So keep that in mind. We'll go over all that again. I mean, it's everywhere. Before you go, as you're loading stuff into your bag tonight or tomorrow night, whenever you're leaving, make sure you grab like an extra hoodie. Make sure you grab something that you may not wear anymore that's still in good shape. Grab that stuff, a poncho, backpacks. You can see the list here. Actually, I'll go ahead. I'm going to drop the link in here for Youth Services at Tulsa. You guys know that's who we're supporting this year. Jump on the list there, jump on the link that I'm dropping here, and see if there's something that you have that you can bring. Sleeping bags, deodorant, all that kind of stuff. Don't use deodorant, but use everything else. Clothes, as long as they're in good shape, sleeping bags, shoes, all that kind of stuff. These Youth Services at Tulsa helps kids that are sometimes homeless, sometimes needing help, sometimes needing clothes. A lot of times foster kids or folks that leave a bad situation leave with the clothes on their back. So just keep that in mind. And young adults 14 to 22 is what Youth Services helps. So those a lot of times are kids the size of adults. So young people the size of adults, because a 22-year-old is an adult, if you didn't know that. And lastly, on this portion of the circuit, thank you very much for being awesome. Y'all, this is the biggest event I've ever hosted. It's going to be bad to the bone, and I cannot wait. Last Thursday, Eric and I were truly thinking, man, what's going to happen with this weather? And I was serious PTSD. And then yesterday, everything cleared out. So it's going to be gorgeous. So get ready is what I'm saying. Again, pre-register. Outtakes, x.co would have sent an email. And then we also send an email with a link to take you in there. So